Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. First of all, open your Play Store and find X Icon Changer. This one, X Icon Changer application. Click install, wait a second for install. And now click open. Now you choose your application from the list. Maybe Fire. Oh, okay, Brawl Stars will be nice. Okay, so choose your icon, maybe like video icon will be nice, and click OK in the top right corner. Now wait a second for generating your icon, and now need close ads. One more time. And how you can see, add to home screen, click add and go to our home screen, and new icon of our Brawl Stars will be here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.